How to use Insightly CRM and project properly. Beginner mistakes that cost you. Insightly is a versatile platform combining CRM and project management, but many beginners make costly mistakes that reduce its effectiveness. Most people get this wrong, but here's why a proper setup matters. The first mistake is not defining your pipelines and project workflows. Insightly allows customization of both sales and project stages. Beginners often use default settings, which can lead to confusion when tracking deals or project milestones. Define clear stages, deadlines, and responsible team members from the start. Another common error is unusing relationship linking. Insightly lets you connect contacts, organizations, and opportunities, giving a complete picture of customer interactions. Failing to link records means missing context, which can lead to poor follow-ups or duplicate work. A third mistake is ignoring task and project automation. Insightly offers workflow rules to automatically assign tasks, set reminders, or update fields. Manually managing these tasks not only wastes time, but increases the risk of missed deadlines. Many beginners also neglect the integration features. Connecting Insightly with email, calendar, and marketing tools ensures smooth communication and centralized data. Skipping this step limits efficiency and reduces the platform's value. Finally, not using reporting dashboards is a frequent mistake. Insightly provides analytics on sales performance, project progress, and team productivity. Reviewing these insights regularly helps identify bottlenecks and optimize workflows. To master Insightly, start with structured pipelines, link all relevant records, leverage automation, integrate with other tools, and monitor dashboards regularly. Avoiding these mistakes ensures your CRM and project management runs smoothly, saving time while increasing productivity and team collaboration.